In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all uploads in Canva. If your uploads folder is overflowing with old images, videos, or audio files, this quick cleanup will help you stay organized and speed up your workflow. Start by opening Canva on your computer and entering any design so you can see the editor's left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, look for the Uploads tab. It's where Canva stores everything you've brought into your account, including images, videos, and audio. Click Uploads to open the full library. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're inside a design, not on the home dashboard, since the Uploads panel is part of the editor. Once the Uploads panel is open, you'll see a grid of thumbnails. Hover your mouse over any item, and a small checkbox will appear on the thumbnail. Click the checkbox to select it. To remove multiple files, continue checking each one. If you're deleting a large batch, select a few, scroll, and keep selecting until you've covered everything you want gone. Depending on your view, Canva may also show a Select All control at the top of the panel after you start selecting, which makes picking everything much faster. Take a moment to scan your selections and confirm you're not including anything you still need. This is especially important if your team shares assets, as removing uploads can impact others who rely on the same files. After you've selected the files, look toward the bottom of the screen for the toolbar that appears. You'll see a trash can icon there, which is the Delete button. Click the Delete icon to remove the selected uploads. Canva may ask you to confirm that you want to delete. Go ahead and confirm. Keep in mind that deleting from uploads clears these files from your library, so you won't be able to drag them into new designs unless you upload them again. If you realize you removed something by mistake, check Canva's trash area, where deleted items may be recoverable for a limited time, depending on your account settings. That's all there is to it. Open the Uploads tab, select the files using the checkboxes, and click the Delete icon at the bottom. A quick review of your selections before you confirm can save you from removing something important. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, faster Canva workspace.